fine arts teachers, I just wanted to send out a refresher video on how you're able to access your curriculum online. First, make sure that you are on your Lancaster Independent School District's website. So you go to www.lancasterisd.org. And so you might come to a page that looks like this. And so what I want you to do, at the top, you're going to see About Us, Students, Parents, Community, and Staff. Click on Staff. And when you click on Staff, under the textbook links, you're going to see something that says, several of them. You're going to see Big Ideas, Connected, McDougall's Online, HRW, Pearson Realized Social Studies, and Pearson Digital Textbook, Canvas, and Think Central. What you want to make sure that you click on is Pearson Digital Textbook. When you click on Pearson Digital Textbook, make sure that it says Lancaster ISD-INT. Remember to put in your first and last name. So I'm going to do this. And put in your password for whatever you have used when you reset your password, you want to make sure you use that particular password. It's going to sign you in. Once you sign in, then you need to open up a new tab that is onlinelearningexchange.com. So just to recap, we're going to go to Staff. Once you're on lancasterisd.org, go to Staff, click on Pearson Digital Textbook. It will take you to the sign-in page. Put your first and last name for your username and your password for what you set your password for when you reset your password. So that's not it once you complete this step. You want to make sure you open up a new tab. And when I say open up a new tab, you should see a little rectangle that's next to whatever website that you have open. Click on that particular rectangle. Click on that, and then you're going to type in, you can type in Online Learning Exchange in the search engine. And then you'll come up to a Google search, and you want to click on the first one that says Personal Online Learning Exchange. Once you do that, click on Sign In. And since you're already signed into Pearson, it's going to automatically sign you in. So you won't have to complete this next step right here. So make sure you're signed into Pearson. Sign in, then you open up a new tab, type in Online Learning Exchange. Click on Online Learning Exchange, and then you're signed in. So I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, you can always reach me at Kimberly Lane at lancasterisd.org. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.